And what happened to our climate change? Climate change is not only for the weather problem, and also a lot of problem will be caused. And let's see. Today our topics. First one, discussion what is climate change. And number two is impact of climate change on seaport, because our topic on seaport. And in the list we have Hualien earthquake. And you can find out the Hualien earthquake have attacked some fishing port. They have some infrastructure have caused some damage. So because their fish cannot go outside, cannot bursting, because their pier has damage. Okay? And also in Kaohsiung, we also very serious typhoon. Typhoon is also very attack on, for example, port infrastructure very serious. That's why in Taiwan, another issue is heavy rain. I mean, in Kaohsiung. I know the different countries they have different problems. Okay, some some Pacific island they worry about their country will be disappear because of climate change. Make their their labor going up. So someday their country will be disappear because the sea level is up. Okay, so number three, impact of climate change on port infrastructure. Because our topic is focused on the port. So what happened to the port infrastructure and vulnerability of strategy and adoption strategy. What's that? Okay, I just teach you what mean of the two words. Okay, so first one, if you like first one, what means vulnerabilities? That means to discover your weakness, especially for you, because the climate change, for example, typhoon will impact attack our port infrastructure, right? So, for example, will attack our warehouse, attack our container terminal. So we have to find out where is our weakness. That means the weakness point. So if you like to discover your weakness point, so where is your weakness? Okay. And number two, because you find out your weakness, so you have to find out the solution. What means solution? Means adaptation. Adaptation is find out your solution. How to deal with your problem. Okay. So this presentation just focus on two. First one, to explore your weakness. Number two, to discover your adaptation. That means solution. To deal with the climate change. Okay. And the risk assessment factor for the impact of climate change on port infrastructure. And because this paper is one of my journal paper already published on the transport policy quite a long time ago, 2021. It's one of Q1's journal paper, and okay, so that's the review. So I know this this bear is feel very sad because their land become very small because the ice melting, right? Melting. So what's happened? The climate change? Yes, of course, because very hot. Anything become very hot. Yes, you can see there. A lot of people would like to drink water, but the water shortage problem. Okay, so. And also sometimes some places have some flooding problem. I know in Thailand have flooding problem, Vietnam also have flooding problem, and so on. I think so your country have flooding, right? Flooding. Flooding problem also serious. Okay, and so that's why a lot of people will damage their house, damage their their furniture and so on. And yes. They're just a give number. According to statistic and the 2030s, the deaths will be from this thing. And also because the temperature becomes very hard. So in Kaohsiung also we have find out some problem because mosquito will bite our skin, and also we get dizzy and sickness, and some people will be die. So okay, so and also some people have a hunger, yeah, hunger, famines, yes, also the food problem. Okay, okay, and also you can see here is because we have a lot of mosquito and other violence that cause our disease. So a lot of people have been passed away. Yeah, very serious. Okay, so temperatures up. So it's also very complicated because complicated is explain their just in fact what can impact, of course, will cause a lot of people will be hungry because of the problem, because you cannot you use your farmer, that means you cannot harvest a lot of corn, so a lot of people cannot eat your food. Okay, big problem. And also, because it will cause of what? Cause a lot of ocean country will be disappear because the sea time is up, so the country will be covered by the sea. Okay, and also they have some problem. That means because it's easy to cause what? The food shortage problem, and Greenland melties. And the polar bear will disappear. So a lot of what we causes means their species will be disappear. Okay. Another way that means will cause why, because of the wildfire, very serious. Especially in hot time. Even in Taiwan, sometimes some mountain also have a wildfire problem. Okay, especially sometime. Okay, wildfire. Okay, so it causes a lot of problem. Okay, cause a lot of refugee. Okay, how about the impact of climate change? We can see here the temperature is up. The temperature is up. Okay, so you are either hot weather. Number two, glacier. Glacier is a decline. The number of glacier is decline. For example, where is West Antarctica. This one is the Arctic. Antarctic. Greenland. Oh, it's complicated. So that means our polar bear will be disappear because their more means operating or more than their lane, and will become very small and small. Okay. So you can see here it's glacier. Glacier is the number of glacier is decreasing right now. Okay, how about impact of the climate change? First one is rising the temperature, so affect the wildlife and their habitat. Yes, wildlife and special animals, and sunlight is will be impact our people. And also will because some species. Why? Because species need to drink water. And you can see here, will cause serious drought. So increasing the risk of wildfire. And also lost crops. And the drinking water shortage problem also very serious. Okay. And because central Gaussian, the Gaussian also very hard. If you get up when you when you get up the 8 a.m. Okay, the weather is going to become very hot, especially the afternoon more hotter. So if you without the aircon, you cannot survive in Gaussian. Okay, so the impact of climate change, the global average temperature. July 2023 is very high to record, and this is become from the blue color become the red color. Okay, and also it's also the this is just show the sea surface temperature. The sea level temperature is also up to sea surface temperature very large. Yes. And this is, the evolution of climate change, because 21st United Nations Climate Change Conference, we say COP21, And in France, in the December 2015, so they have signed some, what we say is the Paris Agreement, quite very famous, which replace of Kyoto protocols adopted in 1997. And the Paris Agreement called on the state party to join the current global warming through what commitment to reduce economic dependence on fossil fuel. Okay, fossil fuel. So that means in the future you have use different we say alternatives energy. Okay, so LNG, so ammonia. So you can use a different energy. That's mean represent very expensive. So in the future, anything will become very expensive. Okay. Okay. So yes, the climate sentence last with greenhouse gas emission 0 2070. In that time already disappeared. So okay, so waiting for our future generation to watch. It's possible to become 0 on 2070. And so 28th are United Nations climate change with a COP28. Yes, also signed agreement will be reduce fossil fuel and the host. And the UNFCCC have set up some dedicated fund, 就是我们讲它有个基金。And first sign to decision on first day will be their fund will be support vulnerable country and community are to cost a lot of dollar. Okay, the US dollars $600 million to support to make their to reduce the use of fossil energy fuel. We take a rest. Thank you.